Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing division, and in previous videos I thought the whichever examples you have solved regarding division. So I thought all basic examples, and I hope you practiced that all the examples. Then in today's class we are going to discuss about division, but here dividing a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. It means I will take here one example, 3278 divided by 3278 by 7. So the same example is there. See here, 3278 by 7 means dividing here 4-digit number by 1-digit number. So this is 4-digit number. I am going to divide with this 7. Okay. So let us write the question. Draw a tent. So write the big number inside, 3278 and divided by 7. And already I told to write the tables. See here, then write here table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Okay, so I wrote here 7 tables one side, and it's better to write tables. Okay, see here, next here 3 is there. 7 is big and 3 is small, so I can't take here 3. So what we have to take here? 32. I need to take here 32. Why I not took only 3? Because in 7 1 the table 3 is not there, and 3 is less than 7. So I want to divide the number. I want a greater number. So you take these two numbers. 32 is there. Then take here 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. 35 is big, 42, 49 all are bigger. Then you have to take only up to this. 7, 14, 21 also big, but here nearest small number is 28. So take here 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. So 2 minus 8 is not possible. Do subtraction here and take this. This becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Again you take here 7 down. So it becomes 47. Then see here in 7 1s a table, 47 is there. Check it out here. See here. Yes, 47 is not there. 49 is there. 42 is there. So 49 is big. So 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7 all are small, but nearest small is 42. So 7, how much is 42? 7 6 are 42. Then write here 7 minus 2 is 5, 4 minus 4 is 0. Next you take here 8 down. Okay, next you take here 8 down, and it becomes 58. Then see here less than 58, which number is there? See here 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, and here it is there 56. They all are also small, but nearest small is 56. So you write here 7 8s are 56. Then write here 8 minus 6 is 2, and 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, so each term has its number. See here, this is divisor, dividend, quotient, and whatever we get answer here, no, that is remainder. So this type you need to write the answer. So here, see here, each step you have to know. Okay, each step what I have done here, I subtracted the number. In multiplication we added, but in subtraction we need to what? Subtract the number. See here, addition and multiplication have their relation, and division and subtraction have their relation. See here, in mathematics 4 important operations are there, and they are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. They 4 operations are very important that you have to know. Okay, So here this type you need to solve the example. So let us take few more example. Dear students, if you practiced these examples, then only you are going to solve this kind of 2-digit numbers. Here you are dividing 4-digit number by a 1-digit number, but here you will get in next video, you will get here 2-digit numbers. For that you need to know at least 2 to 20 tables. So please keep learning the tables. So let us take one example from your My Practice Time 1, and that is, I will take here 4734 divided by, and that is 6. Okay, so write here 6 ones are table, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. So it's better to write tables in one corner. It becomes one type practice also, and you will learn tables also, and you will solve the example also. So take here 4 is there. So 4 is less than 6. I can't take this 4, so you take this 47. Then tell me how to do this. 47 is there. Then take here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Here 48 is there. I can't take this number, so you take this. 42 is there. 36, 30, 24 all are small, but nearest small is 42. So write here 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42. Okay, so 7 minus 2 is 5, 4 minus 4 is 0. Next you take here 3 down. So here 53 is there. Then take here 30, 36, 42, 48. Here 54 is there. I will take this 6 8s are 48. Okay, then right here this becomes 13. 13 minus 8 is 5, and 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again you take here 4 down. Yes, it becomes, now most of the students are taking this as a only 4, but it becomes 54. Then tell me 6 how much are 54? 6 9s are 54. Okay, so 4 minus 4 is 0, and again 5 minus 5 is also a 0. So here the quotient is 789. I hope you are getting my point. So please keep practicing this kind of examples. So let us take one more example. I will take here 1240. 40 divided by 5. So let us write here 5 on the table, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So here I can't take only one, I will take this 2 digits. So it becomes 12. So right here, so less than 12 is 10. I will take this 5 2s are 10. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again you take here 4 down. Okay, 24 is there. Then tell me 5 how much are 24? 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20, and right here 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you take here 0 down, it becomes 40. How much are 40? See here. So here less than 24 is 20, I took this. Next here 40 is there. 5 8s are 40, and this becomes 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. So this type you need to divide the numbers. Got it? So here if you practiced these examples, then only you are going to solve the 2-digit divisor as a number. Okay. So let us take one more example. Next here I will take one more example. I will take here 4892 and divided by 2. Dear students, here you have a one more concept, divide to find the quotient and remainder and also verify your answer. Means after dividing whether my answer is correct or not, I have to check. So how to do that? Let us see. So take here, first I will write here 2 on the table, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so take here, I will take directly here 4 because in 2 on the table 4 is there. How much the 2 2 the 4. Okay, 4 minus 4 is 0. Next you take here 8 down. Next here 8 is there. Yes, how much the 2 4 the 8. 8 minus 8 0. Again you take here 9 down. So see here 9 is there less than 9. 8 is there, 10, 6, 4, 2. 6, 4, 2 also small but nearest small is 8. So take here 2 4 the 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. Again you take this 2 down, then it becomes 12. Okay, 2 how much the 12? 2 6 the 12. 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is also 0. So its quotient is, this is quotient and this is remainder. Okay, so for this you have a one formula. Okay, so the formula is dividend is equal to, what is there? Dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor, yes, into quotient plus remainder. Okay, plus remainder, divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor how much is there here? 2. Quotient how much is there? 244 plus r means 0 here. Okay, multiply this. 2 4 za 8, 2 4 za 8, next 2 2 za 4. Here, see here dear students, I need to do here, yes, here not 244, here 2446 is there. So multiply this 2446 into 2. 2 6 za 12, 2 4 za 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 4 za 8, 2 2 za 4. So right here 4892 plus 0. So after adding this I will get 4892 as a answer. See here, after this what I come to know, see here my answer is correct because after multiplying divisor into quotient plus remainder I got here 4892 as a answer, and here also a question is there 4892. So here my verification is correct and my answer is correct. Okay, so here I will give some example, do as a homework, and this dividend the verification is there, no, I will solve few more examples regarding this in the next video. So solve these examples because in your my practice time here divisor as a 2 digits are there. Okay, so solve this. 3 2 8 9 divided by 2, 3 3 3 3 divided by 3, 4012 divided by 4, 8009 2 3 divided by 6. Yes, these 5 examples, do homework and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, this is your homework section. And verification is there, no, that I will discuss in the next class. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.